My name is Tenzin Nyibum. I am 6 years old. I like soccer, so I could practice.
Hello, my name is Shriyam Gautam. I play center midfield for the United Sherpa Football Club.
My name is Mark Sherpa. I'm a defender for Usfc. I've been here since 2014.
All the parents is very happy.
My name is Tenzin Sherpa. I'm 11 years old. I play for USFC or United Sherpa Football Club.
Hi, I'm Brian Sherpa. So USFC implements many good soccer skills for us players to develop good communication skills, social skills, and it makes me confident as a person.
Hi, I'm Lakvalama. I'm 12 years old. I came here at 2013.
My name is Tenzin Nyibum, and I'm 7 years old, and I like soccer because I like to play soccer.
Hello, Tashidele. My name is Sring Galson Sherpa. I'm a manager of USFC. USFC stands for United Sherpa Football Club. USFC motto is unity, strength, friendship, and community. Our mission is to bring all the Himalayan community living in Queens, New York together and share their friendship and build a very strong relationship within them. This club, USFC, is founded by our founder duo, Mr. Tsring Namgyal Sherpa and Mr. Sangbu Sherpa in year 2012.
Tasitele Namaskar. My name is Ang Sangbu Sherpa. I'm among the one of the founder who initiated this soccer program. We started this program around 2012 with 12 kids from our own family and friends. And I used to play a lot of soccer past, so at the beginning to teach them we started by ourselves. And between these periods, what we found, what we saw, all of them are very interested, and they want to continue without missing the single weekends. Even there are a lot of winter time was there, and not only that, what we saw, what we found is that among them they have their relationship is very strong and getting stronger in unity.
Hello, namaste to all. Giving a short introduction myself, I'm Karma Sherpa and I'm the field manager in United Sherpa Football Club. So I just want to talk about United Sherpa FC coach requirement and license, focus on that one right now. So basically United Sherpa Football Club follows all the up-to-date requirements of the Youth Soccer Association, which is USYSA, United States Youth Soccer. and Eastern New York Youth Soccer, and USSF, which is the governing body of the United States Soccer. So USFC also requires all the coaches to be licensed and go through all the background checks. We have the plus risk management course, they have to take it, and the sexual abuse prevention course run by ENYSA, which is Eastern New York Youth Soccer Association. So beside that, we have a really big coaching teams, which is and a part-time coaches. We have more than 11 coaches that are currently working with us.
I'm Ryan Roslanowski. I've been coaching with USFC for about 4 years now, since 2017.
Hi guys, my name is Coach Valery Pishik. I'm from Belarus originally, playing, I'm studying, I'm coaching soccer, and I'm very happy to be and very proud to be a soccer coach in USFC.
म चाहिँ USFC को अन्डर 12 देखिको कोच हो। मैले USFC मा काम गरेको लगभग 1 वर्ष हुन लाग्यो। USFC ले चाहिँ हाम्रो कम्युनिटीलाई चाहिँ सकरको माध्यमबाट चाहिँ US मा चिनाउन खोजेको छ।
So we have coaches that has grassroots courses, and as well as the coaches that are working for the license D. We have all the coaches right now for the from U6 to U18, currently holding a D license from ENYSA and United USSF.
My name is Dando Sherpa. I'm 12 years old.
One thing I like about USFC is that I get to see my friends, we get to practice together, and we play games together.
I'm 13 years old. I joined this club in 2012, and I like USFC because I get to be with my friends.
Nge ming la pandan no la ge ani nge ngala phu chungsho de sumba de ani lo chukji re lo ni nge la ani khura United Sharpa soccer team la tai ani tangwa gyumje khasna thangbo de la ani khura ji pole la gabo re United Sharpa de soccer de one thana takhasure lo chila dawa chuni or ya gme ya ga na chilo la kunga na nanglo la lopta de ya chane kala shewosh kya do
samal test dile nge ming lobsan chube lagi ani Sherpa club la zune nge pugulu ne lo ni chaso ani yarge yabu droso yarge chu mara jidange treden da sangmal pedaji yabu do ani phama sangmal onora tangtuna yabu do samgido.
नमस्ते मेरो नाम सजना लिम्बू मेरो छोरी चाहिँ यहाँ शेर्पा केदुतमा सकरमा फुटबल खेलेको करिब 5 महिना भइसक्यो हैन अब यसमा उसको चाहिँ धेरै चेन्जेस मैले देखेछ एकदम कन्सन्ट्रेसन राम्रो भएको छ.
Hi, my name is Shaky Sherpa. I'm the father of Lucas Sherpa, who is one of the soccer trainees with United Sherpa Football Club. My son started playing when he was 4 years old. It's been a little over a year. United Sherpa Football Club has done a tremendous job training these young athletes. It helps him interact with his friends. It's helped him grow as an individual. You know, every day he's learning new. It's not just a game of soccer, but he's also learning to interact with other kids. So I really applaud United Sherpa Football Club that's been doing this wonderful job of bringing together this Himalayan community. Which is people from just not Nepal, but from Tibet, Bhutan, and also exposing my kid to all these other children that share different backgrounds and culture. And so I really appreciate the effort.
Hello, today I'm in the Football Sherpa. Soccer class tama nya anga ti hakwa de tama tana de soccer chene da logic ba kasu Football Sherpa tama nya ti anga ni da Tenzin Sherpa na Sherpa in tama ngala ning football liamo gala sung nimita anga da tiya se tama den liamo.
मेरा नाम चाहिँ फुटबल शेर्पा हो टासी दिले यो शेर्पा किदुकको स्पोर्ट फिल्डमा कोअर्डिनेटर मैले 2 वर्ष पुरा गरेर अब तेस्रो वर्षमा काम गरिरहेको छु र अहिले दोस्रो कार्यकालमा चाहिँ के अरे स्पोर्ट कोअर्डिनेटर प्लस भाइस प्रेसिडेन्टमा चाहिँ कार्यरत काम गरिरहेको छु र USFC को बारेमा भन्नु पर्दाखेरि USFC को स्थापना 2012 सालदेखि भएको र हाम्रो अग्रज दाइहरूले सानो ग्रुप जम्मा एउटा टिमबाट सुरु गरेर अहिले हाम्रो लगभग 28-30 टिमहरू भइसक्यो बच्चाहरूको टिम लगभग बच्चाको संख्या भन्नु पर्दाखेरि 265 भन्दा बढी भइसकेको छ यो चाहिँ नेपालीहरूको लागि मात्रै अथवा शेर्पाहरूको लागि मात्रै नभएर यो चाहिँ सम्पूर्ण नेपाल तिब्बत भुटान इन्डिया सबै बच्चाहरूले यहाँ सहभागिता गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ
And we have a lot of competition here, a lot of tournaments here. Usually start on the beginning of the spring, and it's going to be in by almost like 5 to 6 months. And I believe, if you when your kids are playing good, or when I would say like in the soccer point, when they score the goals, or when they save the goals, or when they tackle, or when they play the nice goal, those moments, are really good moments, and I saw those things from my son. When he was like 6 to 7 years, I used to go to a lot of tournaments. Those moments are very, very important and a lot of fun too.
Today, Nyamila Prazang Musherpasi, Nepane 2012 Hawin, Yapujung Gilme Kunsang Sherpain, Ko Nepane Angubala, Losumla Hawin, their honey long Lodine Ko Sakar the United States Shepakituki Sakarla Jiniko Lamakaniwe exercise. Plus dalza dong bagi zama galniwe lema we dia sang dia kasba Himalaya club ki just group gangbu we Sherpa Sherwat Peppa Bhutanese Tamang Gurung Mangar Zat gangbu we.
So also the other thing I want to talk about is the tournament and leagues that we participate. USFC participates on normally. So in the 3 season we participate in one of the major leagues of the Eastern New York Youth Soccer, which is Metro Kids League.
My name is Cesar Hoka. I'm the president of Metro Kids for 4 years. I'm here working hard like always. And first of all, I want to say thank you to this big community, Sherpa from Nepal. I met these guys like 4 years ago when there was very small group of kids. Some parents, they start getting a little by a little. Today, approximately there's almost 100-something players playing in Metro Kids in each different groups. U8, U10, U12, U14, 16, and some of them 19. Some of them, but all this can be good only with the support of all these parents. All these parents bringing the kids cold weather, hot weather, raining, snow. Even when we have a big snowstorm last year, all the community, all the Sherpas organization, they come to clean up all the fields so their kids can play because there was full of snow. That's what I'm very proud of them. I'm so happy, and I want to say thank you again to you guys, Sherpa United. Keep doing all what you do for the kids, for your sons, for your kids, and I hope you can get more and more and more and more in the future. You can come to Metro Kids.
Hello, my name is Juan Alvarado. I'm the manager of Metro Kids. We're glad that we have into our league, Metro Kids Youth Soccer League, affiliated to the Eastern New York. We're happy to have one of our members is the community from Nepal, USC Sherpa. They have a beautiful group, not only for the kids, it's also for the parents that support on many matters the game for the kids. They bring in happiness, they motivate the kids on every level, on all the categories that they participate since 3-4 years ago with us in all the different tournaments that Metro Kicks is sponsoring by the Federation of the Youth Federation of the United States in the state of New York. We are happy to having as a part of our family with the other clubs participating in our tournaments.
My name is Ethan Tamang. I'm the captain of United Sherpa FC, and I've been here for almost 6 years now, since 2014, and I think that Sherpa Kiluk has done a great job to found this club, and this football club is a really good community altogether. Like, I treat my friends, we all treat each other like family, and it's amazing how we've grown from such a small community, and now you can see we have so many little kids behind us, and it's just it's a great thing that we're all one community.
Hi, my name is Tenzin Nyibum. I am 17 years old. I go to USFC club, and the school I go to is Renaissance Charter School. So I've been in the club for about 7 years, and it's been going great so far. I like the teammates. I like the teamwork that we have while we play. I think our connection is very strong, and I think that's the most important part.
Tashi ming pendi kerabre ngadela losum dore ani ma USFC la gagir.
USFC is managed by our management team. Management team includes of our volunteers, coaches, and other helpers. USFC runs throughout the year, all 12 months. We run 3 seasons. We have an indoor season, spring season, and fall season. All these seasons run for 4 months.
Hi, my name is Nima Sharpa. We've been here since 2-3 years now. They are very excited to meet other kids from like Nepal. They get to meet Gurung friends. Kids from Mustang, Manang. It's a great opportunity for them to interact with others. Plus, it's a great platform for the parents to meet each other. It's a healthy way. It's very productive for the kids and the parents.
We get all the necessary permits, and we use all the best equipment necessary for all our trainings. We also participate in all the leagues and tournaments. Apart from Metro Kit leagues in Queens, we also participate in other Nepali and Tibetan tournaments throughout the year.
United Sherpa Association को बारेमा भन्नुपर्दा हामी युनाइटेड शेर्पा एसोसिएसन आजभन्दा करिब 2.5 दशक पहिले 1995 तिर स्थापना भएको हो र 96 को चाहिँ जुनमा न्युयोर्क स्टेटमा रजिस्टर भएको एउटा च्यारिटी अर्गनाइजेसन हो। हामी वार्षिक रूपमा विभिन्न खेलकुद प्रतियोगिताहरू सञ्चालन गर्दछौं, आयोजना गर्दछौं। हामी भलिबल कार्यक्रम, भलिबल प्रतियोगिता, फुटबल प्रतियोगिता, बास्केटबल प्रतियोगिता, गल्फ प्रतियोगिता लगायत हामी चाहिँ 100 मिटर रेसदेखि थुप्रै कार्यक्रमहरू, थुप्रै खाले प्रतियोगिताहरू सञ्चालन गर्दछौं प्रत्येक वर्ष, जुन अहिले न्युयोर्कको नेपाली समुदाय बीचमा चाहिँ मिनी ओलम्पिक भनेर पनि चिनिएको छ।
युनाइटेड शेर्पा फुटबल क्लबको चाहिँ नि म्यानेजमेन्ट टिममा पछिल्लो 5 वर्षदेखि आबद्ध छु अनि हाम्रो म्यानेजमेन्ट टिममा हामी अहिलेको रिसेन्टलीको हिसाबले हामी 10 जना जति छौं अनि 10 जनामा हाम्रो सबैजनाको आफ्नो जिम्मेवारी अनुसारले चाहिँ नि क्लबलाई चाहिँ कसरी अगाडि बढाउने भनेर उद्देश्यले लागिरहेको छौँ। त्यसको अलावामा मेरो चाहिँ अहिलेलाई चाहिँ शेर्पा कितुकसँग चाहिँ कसरी कोअर्डिनेट गर्ने भन्ने कुरामा म अलिकति बेसी फोकस दिएको छौँ। अनि त्यसपछि हाम्रो युनाइटेड शेर्पा फुटबल क्लबको चाहिँ नि मेन उद्देश्य भनेको हाम्रो समस्त रूपमा सबै वर्गका मान्छेहरू र स्पेसली हिमालयन कमिटीका ग्रुपहरूलाई बच्चाहरूलाई एक ठाउँमा आएर ल्याएर एक अर्कामा चिनाजाना हुने, आफ्नो कल्चरको चाहिँ के अरे कल्चर वेशभूषा सबैलाई एक अर्कामा साटापाट गर्न मिल्ने, अनि प्यारेन्ट्सहरूलाई पनि एक ठाउँमा ल्याएर हामीले कति कुराहरू चाहिँ सम्हाल्ने कोसिस गरिरहेको छौँ।
nga tashlami nga dulei do nga shalei te nga na America lu di namlo nitong ge na huchi na lu nigi map tele nga da chika aluni yu te nga chi na soccer gi club na di namlo nitong chudulu join bi te UFSC gi nga chi alu disu na lu chamotok na midulu namse kari chesi shuni nga chi aldisu namsim soccer che niga ane benidigi khongi nga chi lu kokam na mi dilu nga chi ninga da nigi charo disu kara gi khatule nga chi lu an japchor be na mi dilu namsim ka din che
mi di doji pelmo I te nga dule I du parole I te nga ye aluni de na an club na zidi namlo niktong chudule zi te ngaradi na namlo niktong sumna hechi te ani club tinalu khonam sami trowa le jimbe chunti te khole namsa soccer jo te tele khokara kachila ta ani na ka share product an club lo nam sami katika saye te kara lo ani gi nam sami pheme sishuni ina
खेलकुदकै अर्को पाटो भनेको चाहिँ हामीले यो युनाइटेड शेर्पा फुटबल क्लब पनि सञ्चालन गरिराखेका छौँ। अरू खेलकुद कार्यक्रम भनेको चाहिँ हाम्रो वार्षिक एउटा प्रतियोगिताको रूपमा सञ्चालन गरिराखेको छ भने युनाइटेड शेर्पा फुटबल क्लब चाहिँ हाम्रो निरन्तर 12 महिना नै सञ्चालन हुने कार्यक्रम हो, जसमा चाहिँ हामीले अहिले 250 जति चाहिँ साना नानीहरूलाई इनरोल गरेका छौँ। त्यहाँ चाहिँ 7 वर्षदेखि 17 वर्षसम्मका युवाहरू चाहिँ इन्गेज छन् र उनीहरूलाई हामीले एज अनुसार फरक फरक उमेर समूहमा चाहिँ फरक फरक किसिमको कोचहरू मार्फत हामीले चाहिँ फुटबलको एउटा निरन्तर ट्रेनिङ दिइराखेका छौँ, एउटा एकाडेमीको रूपमा विकास गरिराखेका छौँ र हाम्रो उद्देश्य भनेको चाहिँ यो युनाइटेड शेर्पा फुटबल क्लबलाई भोलि कुनै दिन गएर यहाँको एउटा प्रोफेसनल एउटा व्यावसायिक फुटबल क्लबको रूपमा व्यावसायिक सकर क्लबको रूपमा स्थापित गर्ने एउटा उद्देश्य हामीले लिएका छौँ। त्यसको लागि अहिले युनाइटेड शेर्पा फुटबल क्लबका साथीहरू त्यहाँ हाम्रो एउटा जनरल म्यानेजर हुनुहुन्छ अहिले चाहिँ श्रीङ्ग्यालसन शेर्पा, उहाँको नेतृत्वमा यो सञ्चालन भइराखेको छ। फिल्ड म्यानेजर हुनुहुन्छ कर्म शेर्पा लगायत धेरै भलन्टियरहरू छन्। त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ 12-15 जना चाहिँ अहिले कोचहरूले पनि काम गरिरहनु भएको छ, कोही फुल टाइम कसैले पार्ट टाइम काम गरिरहनु भएको छ। त्यसरी चाहिँ सञ्चालन गरिराखेका छौँ। यसमा चाहिँ हामीलाई समुदायबाट पनि धेरै ठुलो सहयोग उपलब्ध भइराखेको छ। सबैले यहाँनिर चाहिँ अहिले नेपाली मात्रै नभएर भुटानी, तिब्बती र इन्डियाका विभिन्न क्षेत्रका चाहिँ समुदायहरूमा पनि आफ्नो नानीहरूलाई छोराछोरीहरूलाई त्यहाँ लिएर आउनुभएको छ। त्यो सहयोग हामीले प्राप्त गरेका छौँ, त्यो माया हामीले प्राप्त गरेका छौँ। यहाँहरू सबैको सहयोगमा यहाँहरू सबैको राय सल्लाह र सुझावहरूलाई लिएर युनाइटेड शेर्पा फुटबल क्लबलाई हामी अमेरिकाको एउटा समृद्ध फुटबल क्लबको रूपमा एउटा प्रोफेसनल क्लबको रूपमा चाहिँ स्थापित गर्ने हाम्रो योजना छ, हाम्रो उद्देश्य छ।
Ngepu Tenzin Nyibum lo thanda chukchi khajinge ma ta U8 ne start shire dela ani thanda bodo ta lo sum shishi dogore an thanda khora U11 la che ta che shimbare ani nge puchunga di Tenzin Nyibum che longare handa U6 nang la che gore an thanda bodo soccer che ne khora thokpo mangbu thu yarge mangbu drosu
chai dele la ani
ngani di bu momo la ni bu de nge mani rong yore ngada dang khajin dang ma je oi diring oi ani di lo to pe yak bu do la ni bu de pe ka uchi du de la chem je la oi la pe ka uchi du ani pe yak bu do la
अनि हालसालैको कुरामा पनि हामी म्यानेजमेन्ट टिममा पनि शेर्पा मात्र छैनौँ त्यसमा हाम्रो टिबेटन पनि छ हाम्रो ग्याल्सुन्तो कमिटीको मान्छे पनि छ अनि हाम्रो प्यारेन्ट्स किड्सहरूको प्यारेन्ट्सहरूले चाहिँ उनीहरूको टाइम मिलेको अनुसार उनीहरूले चाहिँ दिने उनीहरू आफै टाइम समय दिन सक्यो भने भविष्यमा पनि हामी सबैको कम्युनिटीलाई चाहिँ लिएर चाहिँ सँगै लिएर जाने कोसिस गर्दैछौँ।
हेलो मेरो नाम छिरिङ लामा है म चाहिँ मनाङबाट घ्यालसुन्द बिलोङ गर्छु। 1 वर्ष जति हुँदा यो क्लबमा आबद्ध भएको र यस्तै गर्ने क्रममा चाहिँ मैले यहाँको वातावरण चाहिँ आफ्नो एउटा फ्यामिली इन्भाइरोमेन्ट पाएको हुनाले एक स्टेप अगाडि बढेर यो अहिले इन्डोर यो क्लबको इन्डोरमा चाहिँ मैले यस क्लबबाट चाहिँ एउटा भलिन्टियरको रूपमा आबद्ध भएर सहकार्य गरिरहेको छु।
So I would like to request every communities. This is not only for the Sherpa community; it is for every community. Every community who are interested in the games. Not only this is games is the mode for the unity, build the strength of the kids, and also they bring all the kids together to create friendships. And United Sherpa Association is just as a bridging the gap. No, it is just like we are just creating an environment so that every community come together for a better future. So I would like to request everybody, just visit the Facebook page of United Sherpa Football Club so that you can bring your kids here and make them stronger for their future.
टस्टले नमस्ते म छपाले शेर्पा युनाइटेड शेर्पा फुटबल क्लबमा चाहिँ विगत 6 वर्षदेखि ट्रेजिको रूपमा काम गरिरहेको छु अहिले। यो सबै प्यारेन्ट्सबाट फन्डेड भएको क्लब हो। यो चाहिँ हामीले बेसिकली भन्नुपर्दाखेरि कम्युनिटी बेस्ड क्लब नै भन्ने हुन्छ त्यो हो। र यो क्लबको बारेमा यसको क्लबको उद्देश्य क्लबको एक्टिभिटिजको बारेमा मेरो साथीहरूले पहिले नै भनिसक्नु भएको छ। म चाहिँ यो पेन्डेमिक पछिको रिओपनिङको बारेमा 1-2 शब्द राख्न चाहन्छु। यो कोभिड-19 महामारीले गर्दाखेरि न्युयोर्क सिटीमा चाहिँ कोभिड फैलिँदै गर्दाखेरि हामीले मार्च 14 मा चाहिँ हाम्रो इन्डोर प्रोग्राम चाहिँ बन्द गर्नुपर्ने भयो। न्युयोर्क सिटीले चाहिँ हाम्रो रिओपनिङ सुरु भइसकेको छ र अहिले फेज 4 को रिओपनिङ भइसकेको अवस्था छ। त्यसमा हाम्रो युथ सकरको पनि अब सुरु भइसकेको छ। यो रिओपनिङमा प्यारेन्ट्सहरू गार्जियनहरू आएर यहाँ रजिस्ट्रेसन गरिदिनु होला र तपाईँहरूले रजिस्ट्रेसन गरिसकेपछि हामीलाई कतिजना विद्यार्थीहरू कतिवटा प्लेयर्सहरू भयो भनेर चाहिँ हामीलाई कन्फर्म भइसकेपछि चाहिँ हामी त्यही अनुसार हामी प्लानिङ गर्छौँ र त्यही अनुसार स्केड्युल बनाएर तपाईँलाई टेक्स्ट गर्छौँ। त्यसपछि तपाईँलाई फेसबुकमा अपडेट गर्छौँ। न्युयोर्क सिटीको गाइडलाइन्स युएस सकरको गाइडलाइन्सहरूलाई पनि स्ट्रिक्टली फलो गर्नुपर्ने भएको छ। हामी स्ट्रिक्टली फलो नै गर्छौँ र प्यारेन्ट्सहरूले पनि त्यो चाहिँ तपाईँहरूले पनि त्यो गाइडलाइन चाहिँ फलो गरिदिनु होला। र हामीसँग फर्महरू पनि छ। त्यो फर्ममा पनि हामी वेबर फर्महरू छ, त्यसमा प्यारेन्ट्सहरूले साइन गर्नुपर्ने छ। फर्महरू नयाँ फर्महरू फिल गर्नुपर्ने छ। र यो क्लब चाहिँ अब कम्युनिटी अब प्यारेन्ट्सहरू हाम्रो प्यारेन्ट्सहरूबाटै फन्डेड भएको हुनाले यो वर्षको जुन यो फल प्रोग्राम सेप्टेम्बर, अक्टोबर, नोभेम्बर 3 महिनाको प्रोग्राम चाहिँ हामीले हाम्रो एउटा इमर्जेन्सी फन्ड छ जुन चाहिँ हामीले 2014 बाट अहिलेसम्म प्रत्येक वर्ष हामीले अलिअलि फन्ड रेडी गरेका थियौँ। त्यो फन्डबाट चाहिँ हामी यो कार्यक्रम यो प्रोग्राम चाहिँ सञ्चालन गर्ने चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ डिसिजन लिएको छौँ।
As a manager in USFC, I would like to thank all our volunteers, coaches, parents, and also players who has participated for so many years in our club. I've been working as a manager for now 5 years. It's a very good experience for me to get to know you all and to serve you as your manager. This program is not for profit, but to involve all the Himalayan community who come to this country and they don't get other opportunity to get involved. So at the beginning also for myself, like we didn't know when we have our kids, we didn't know where to take it, and we didn't have a place to go for to get them involved. So this is a program where you can just feel free to come, and we can just have a very good time with your kids, and we love to see your kids grow in this place. Thank you.